pushing too much. I'm using the Beetle and my Beetle and the bloody the combi.
This is cool.
This feels good to drive.
Oh, there's the barge.
The bar still hasn't bloody.
They must have gone up the Big Red.
I can't see when you were on it now. Alright, I'll have to.
Yeah, give it a go. Nice.
That feels like a rouse. Let's see how scary it is.
Yeah, right, Oh, this must be what they're talking about.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, too easy. I didn't know what I was worried about.
I thought it was going to be.
I didn't know what I was worried about. So that's all I did, like for the one that's just up here. You just sort of roll down it and off you go. Oh. As Jimmy was saying, the Farsi's been down it, so now this has been down it, so... Oh, easy peasy. King.
Touch before. Solid brushing.
Give it a poke. There you go. Dude,
that was awesome.
Sweet.
That was